Hi, my name is Rewan. I'm from Brazil, and I have a degree in history and in interior design, and I'm currently working as a digital artist, producing art with surrealist and super colorful digital collages on my Instagram page, Macaco Neon. My husband is Matheus. He supports me in everything. I've always been connected to the arts, attending art galleries and exhibitions, reading books on everything that has art in it. During college, I had a lot of disciplines focused on the study of art. The artwork I make today came about during the beginning of the pandemic. At first it was a hobby, and then I decided to create Macaco Neon on Instagram. Eventually I was getting orders and requests for album covers, t-shirt prints to digital paintings. Today, producing collages has become my job. What inspires me is surrealist art, and especially pop culture that is present in fashion, graffiti, music, video clips, films, and TV series. Pride for me means remembering the struggles of the LGBTQ+ community and valuing every victory that our ancestors won. Pride is about celebrating the freedom of who you really are. This artwork is about great celebration of pride. In the top rainbow, butterflies fly with wings of the LGBTQ+ flag, representing the power of transformation. Words come out of the big mouth, transforming those who until then were unaware of the importance of respecting others, turning them into allies of the cause. If we trust ourselves and have faith, anything can happen.